Hello! In this video, I will show you the easiest way to edit the captions to any video you've uploaded to Brightspace. You can see here I'm in an example course with a video I've already uploaded. I want to edit the captions already on this video. The easiest way to do so is by coming to the video from in your course like this, scrolling down to the bottom of the video that displays, and click on that gear icon in the bottom right. From the menu that pops up, you'll want to click View Transcript. And now we can see on the right-hand side, it's opened up a column with all the text of the captions on the right-hand side here. What we want to do is click on Download at the top, and then choose captions.vtt. This will download the file to your Downloads folder. And you can open up the File Explorer on your operating system. In this case, I am on Mac, so it's going to look a little like this. You'll see the .vtt file you've just downloaded. And what you want to do is right-click on it, and from the menu, choose Open With, and choose the default text editor. On Mac, it's just called Text Edit, and on Windows, it is called Notepad. Now that we have the .vtt file opened up in the default text editor, the first thing you'll want to do is take a read through the transcript and pay attention for any proper nouns or any area or field-specific terms or jargon. We have found that the auto-generate captions feature that Brightspace provides, those are the two areas that they will often trip up and not spell out the correct word that you intended. You should also pay attention for where you see any ums or uhs, because they will also be written out into the transcript. You can see here there's an example that the Word document is readable. The easiest way to find and get rid of all of the filler words here is with the find function you can see in most softwares. So the way we do that is, if we're on Mac like I am, you could click Command F on your keyboard. And if you're on Windows, it is Control F. So Command F, and that opens up the Find feature. We want to get rid of these filler words, so we're going to make sure that we click this Replace checkbox on the right-hand side, so we can see a new field just below Find. What we want to search for in the document is specifically space space. This will make sure that we're only looking up the filler words and not any words that end with such as curriculum. Then for the replace, we'll want to choose just a space. So click the space bar once, and once you've done that, you can click the All button on the right-hand side, and that will replace all of the ums with just a space. So here we can see that the Word document is readable by screen readers. We'll want to do the same for us. So again, that is space, space, and then in the replace field, just a space. We can click Done. And once we do that, you can save the document quickly by clicking Command S on your keyboard, and then you can return back to Brightspace. Returning back here to Brightspace on that example video we started out with, now we're ready to upload the transcript we've just edited. The way you do that is by coming back here to the video, and instead of clicking on that gear icon we clicked on earlier, we want to click on the Edit Video just below the player. On the window that pops up, you'll want to scroll down and choose Advanced Editing. This will open up a new window. If you want to make it bigger on your screen, you can always click these three lines in the right-hand side and drag the window so it's larger. Now we'll want to go to the Close Captions tab along the top of this window, and then choose the Upload button here. From this, you'll want to go back to your downloads folder and then find that .btt file we were just using. Select it and click Open. And once you've done that, you can click Finish. It will ask you to confirm. Click Finish again. And once it's done loading here, you can click this X. Be sure to click Update Next so that it updates the actual video you have posted in your course. And now we can see here, if we skip ahead and make sure that the captions are on, you can take to make your Word documents more accessible. We can see here that the word is not in the transcript.